Imagine elevating your daily coffee or tea ritual with a charming heart-shaped quilted mat beneath your favorite mug. Heart mug rugs bring both function and beauty to your tabletop in one small, delightful package. Mug rugs are essentially miniature quilts designed to hold both your warm beverage and a small treat on the side. Our collection features free heart-shaped mug rug patterns that range from beginner-friendly designs to more detailed projects for experienced quilters. The Cherry Heart Mug Rug by Debbie Taylor showcases a soft, rounded heart centerpiece, adorned with a pair of sweet cherries. This pattern is particularly convenient as it works perfectly with layer cake fabric squares, those pre-cut 10-inch pieces that many quilters collect. Finishing at 8.5 inches square, this fruity design adds a cheerful pop of color to any desk or table. For those who prefer a more defined heart shape, the We Heart Mug Rug pattern by Amy Ball features an actual heart-shaped silhouette. Unlike rectangular mug rugs, this design is cut and bound to maintain its distinctive heart outline. The surface consists of a charming patchwork grid, making it ideal for using up even the tiniest fabric scraps from your collection. Express your affection in a flash with the Sweetheart Mug Rug, where a distinct heart motif is framed beautifully by a contrasting border. This 8-inch square project is Fat Eighth friendly, making it perfect for turning small fabric cuts into lovely keepsakes or shower favors. With simple construction, it ensures a stress-free sewing experience that results in a heartwarming gift. Sweet and inviting, the Go Scrappy Heart Mug Rug turns simple scraps into a cozy coffee time favorite shaped like a heart. Patchwork piecing adds texture and charm, while a small solid heart applique gives the design a gentle focal point. Measuring about 10 by 10.25 inches, this beginner-friendly project fits easily on desks or side tables for a warm, handmade touch. Add a sweet touch to your coffee table with the Valentine Mug Rug, featuring a playful heart shape that fits your favorite mug perfectly. Simple patchwork piecing lets you mix different prints for a scrappy, textured look that is fat quarter-friendly and easy to stash bust. Made with beginners in mind, this fun, low-stress project makes a lovely handmade gift or a cheerful treat for yourself. The next time you sit down with your favorite beverage, consider the simple joy of resting it on a handmade heart mug rug. These small quilts not only protect your furniture, but also add a touch of handcrafted love to your daily rituals. For even more inspiration, visit ilovequiltingforever.com to explore a delightful collection of heart mug rug quilt patterns.